Hey, your backpack.
I know it's been like cocooned, or how to say it, it's like a mirror for 2 years. Yeah.
Mira, like a mommy.
I know.
Oh my god, the color changed. I don't know.
This.
Wait, it kind of changed the color, no?
No,
Look at that. Yeah, a little bit.
I don't know. My backpack. My backpack. Hello.
Mine is still there, packed.
Okay, I'm gonna start putting stuffs here. Wow, it's huge.
Yeah, it's pretty big, yeah?
Nice, but it's.
I know. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jordi, this is Haekyung, and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. We left our home 4 years ago to travel around the world, and the global pandemic got us happily stuck here in Goa. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episodes. We're doing the last laundries. We're gonna leave some clothes here in Goa. Plan to come back, and we're gonna take some of them. Here is the packing taking place. And of course, Gumdrop! What's going on? What do you say? Huh? Gumdrop! Gumdrop! So this is how it looks. This wardrobe that has been full for 2 years. Some things that we didn't use at all. And we're gonna leave some clothes here. I don't know, man. What, Mishi? What?
Throw.
Huh? Just a little bit.
Payment too?
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the result will.
Result 9. Something 10 to 11 o'clock.
Oh,
Yeah.
today.
Today.
Oh,
What's
nice,
up?
nice. So
Today
you.
10 to 11 o'clock night.
It's WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
We took the test. We will know by 10, 11 or midnight. Now it's
10:57.
10:57, so it's 11, 12 hours, something like that.
Oh my god, my nose.
Fingers crossed that it's negative and we can fly. Because if it's positive, oh my god, we will have to find a place to stay, cancel or reschedule the
Exactly.
flight, cancel our first accommodations. Yeah, fingers crossed. See you in a few hours.
Look at all these boxes. We're gonna leave these here in a friend's house.
Because we're coming back.
It's been crazy chaos, and look at this. Like what we have to do: web check-in. Yeah, we did book return flight tickets, insurance, booking accommodation, PCR test we did, taxi arrangements. We still need to return motorbike, health declaration done, print all the documents done, but we still have feel like more things to do.
This is a laptop fan that obviously is very bulky, and we're gonna leave it here. And it's cheap enough that we get
Yeah.
one there for the 1 or 2 months that we're gonna be there.
This is our last time walking around this area.
Last evening walk.
Well, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. And then we were talking just before that how much we just took for granted, like this beauty of the nature we just have around, so close, nearby, and we're just trying to appreciate as much as we can before leaving this place, and hopefully we can come back and
Yeah, but if
try
we'll be
this
back,
area.
it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different house, different area probably, whatever we can afford. it's the end of an era, no? It's the end of this lifestyle, you know. So we're kind of sad, excited for what's coming next, but kind of sad that we have to leave the cats, that beautiful house, right?
Yeah, it's tomorrow. Tomorrow. By this time tomorrow, we will be on our way to the airport. And
No, by this time
Right?
tomorrow.
yeah.
No, we're gonna be
no.
still at
We
home.
can still be at home, but still like a few hours later after this, tomorrow we will be heading to airport. It's I don't know how to say. It's been 2 years. I don't know how many times. Jordi has been walking this path a lot, but to be honest, I haven't really walked that much. Yeah, but I had other things to do also. So anyway,
Oh man, it's crazy. It's a very weird feeling. This was our home for 2 years, pandemic included. So you can guess how many hours we spent at home with the cats and all. And now we're gone for good. Yeah. So this pet sit is ending.
yeah,
The house might not be there next time we come back,
end of an era.
and cats might transfer to some other sitters.
All right, so we're gonna focus on, let's say, walking.
The future.
Walking. I mean, right now, not future is still ahead. So
we're gonna focus on our
yeah,
way
we're gonna,
forward.
Yeah, focus on
course.
walking and appreciating whatever we are seeing right now, to have it like long in on our hand.
Yeah. We're gonna
So we're gonna update you with more things as we reach to the
D-Day.
the day. Yeah,
D-Day.
All right,
Yeah.
ciao.
See you. Thanks for watching.
Oh,
Camera
no.
is there.
On the same night, we got the result negative. Yay!
There's some baby. Some baby, some baby. Oh, the sun is so good. Look at baby, good, good, it's so good. Mommy's massaging my back. It's the best. Cookie, cookie. Going out.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Hey guys, so this is a D-Day. We are heading to the airport a few hours later, and we're doing a last packing. Let's see how Jordi's going to pack his backpack.
This is our backpack, 40 liters. We haven't used it in 2 years. Can you believe that? It's crazy. But we are lucky because the flight we are taking allows us 30 kilos in check-in luggage and 7 kilos hand luggage, which is pretty much, and it's way more than what we are used to. So, okay, we have the packing cubes. If you travel and you pack, you know what's a packing cube. It's very useful to compress whatever t-shirts, pants, stuff like that. I'm gonna put the shoes right at the bottom because I already have my other shoes right there. Then we put the pants section, like lower stuff. It's pretty big, but it's not heavy. You know, it's bulky, but not really heavy. And then, ooh, I don't know how I'm gonna, it kind of fits. Okay, see, we have this first layer done. And then good thing, this bag has these straps to compress a bit more the clothes. So you fit on the both sides. So it pushes down and all this air that is trapped there is released. What a nice trick. No? It's not vacuum, but it's close to that, right? Oh no, I forgot. A couple of things. I'm gonna put on the side this tripod that I don't want to carry on the hand luggage. This side is fine. And this goes somewhere else. All right. Yep. So one compartment is done. This one has this extra pocket, so when we close it, this is my toiletries and contact lens. What do we have here? Another extra mask. This time I think this goes a bit emptier than last time I traveled. So we're gonna close this first. Hope it closes. Yeah, easy peasy. Then on this other pocket we have some, what do we have here? I'm carrying some documents, like copies and stuff, because it's check-in luggage. So in worst case, if you lose the check-in luggage, passport and all important documents always with you. These are only copies and not so important. Stickers that we're gonna stick around next country. This is a small bag with some cables and some adapter, a mouse, a hard drive. Not much. Not as big as other times, because most of the electronics now go on the small backpack, on the hand luggage. So I'm gonna put this here. Sometimes we put the laptop here when this used to be a hand luggage, but this time we're checking in this backpack, and we have this other hand luggage that I'm gonna show you right now. So this is it. This is not that heavy. Oh my god, it's really light, to be honest. This feeling, oh my god. Okay, I think I gained a bit weight, or I think I put this too shorter. This is fine. We can walk to the hostel a few kilometers, whatever. Anyway, it's exciting to wear this again. This is one thing, it's set. Another good thing of this bag is that it has these outside straps to make it even smaller, you see? So in the end, you can see it, not that big, right? Not that bulky. 40 liters, but I think this might be not even 15 kilos, really. And then, as I was saying, I'm carrying this hand luggage. I'm gonna be quick with this one. We have camera and accessories and stuff. Another camera accessory. This is big, but I don't want to put it here. More camera accessory. And then the electronics. One charger. Long laptop charger. Just a long shirt for the airport if it gets too cold in the plane. Empty here. Extra mask just in case. Documents, because sometimes they ask for printed documents, even though we are in the 21st century, 2022. We could show all digitally, electronically, but still some people ask for papers. And finally, the laptop is here, a bit well tucked. And inside the laptop pocket, the dongle for the USBs and all, one of the external drives. And that's it. This bag is... Oh, wait, what's this here? On the small pocket, I'm having... These are your sunglasses.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh. Another mask. Okay, you put this here, no?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's pretty light, I think. And then the last thing, this is my kind of horse. You've seen me wearing these most of the time. We're gonna see what we have here. Quickly, very quickly. This is a bit bulky, but I revived it. This is the Kindle to read ebooks that it was kind of dead, and then I charged it and manipulated a bit. It's kind of fixed. Extra mask, passport. Never forget this. Sunglasses, sanitizer, new item that we used to travel without, but now. Plastic bag in case I need to put something inside. Earphones, stickers to be sticking around. Oh wait. Oh, I was supposed to leave these ones here, I think. Some cash and the smallest pocket. I'm carrying a SIM card of the country and a PIN to change the SIM card of the phone. And that's it. This time we're not carrying big camera. I used to carry the big camera, the mirrorless, in this bag. This time we're not carrying that. We're carrying the 360 and the phones. More real, less cinematic, or maybe more cinematic, we'll see. And that's it.
You forgot the most important thing.
The passport.
It's Missy. It's Missy. We have to take her. No, we have to take her.